In Fort Worth, home security is a top priority for residents and business owners alike. A properly installed door serves as the first line of defense against unauthorized entry, weather conditions, and potential safety hazards. Whether you live in a suburban neighborhood or run a business in the heart of the city, ensuring that your door is correctly installed can make a significant difference in your overall security. Here are some key benefits of a properly installed door and how it enhances safety in Fort Worth. Enhanced protection against break-in. A well-installed door can deter burglars and intruders from targeting your home or business. Many break-ins occur due to weak or poorly installed doors that can be easily kicked in or manipulated. Proper installation ensures that the door is aligned correctly within the frame. High-quality locks and deadbolts function effectively. The hinges and strike plates are reinforced to withstand force. The material of the door is durable and resistant to tampering. For added security, many Fort Worth homeowners opt for steel or solid wood doors that provide increased resistance to forced entry. Improved weather resistance. Fort Worth is no stranger to extreme weather conditions, including heavy storms, strong winds, and even the occasional hailstorm. A properly installed door helps to keep your home safe from these natural elements by sealing gaps to prevent water leaks and wind drafts, providing insulation to maintain indoor temperatures efficiently, reducing the risk of structural damage caused by high winds. For areas prone to storms, reinforced storm doors or impact-resistant doors offer an extra layer of protection. Better energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is another key benefit of a correctly installed door. When doors are improperly fitted, gaps and cracks allow heat or cold air to escape, leading to higher energy bills. A well-installed door helps to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reduce the strain on HVAC systems, lower monthly energy costs by improving insulation. Many Fort Worth homeowners choose energy-efficient doors with weather stripping and foam insulation to maximize their energy savings. Increased fire safety. A quality door installation can enhance fire safety by acting as a barrier against the spread of flames and smoke. Fire-rated doors, which are commonly used in commercial buildings, offer resistance to fire for a specified period, typically 20 minutes to 3 hours. Slower fire spread, giving occupants more time to evacuate. Enhanced protection of property and personal belongings. For homes and businesses, installing fire-resistant doors in key areas such as garages and kitchens can significantly improve overall safety. Noise reduction for peace of mind. A well-installed door not only enhances security but also provides noise reduction. In busy areas of Fort Worth, such as near highways or bustling neighborhoods, excessive noise can be a disturbance. Properly fitted doors with soundproofing materials help to reduce outside noise pollution, create a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment, enhance privacy by blocking external sounds, higher property value. Investing in a properly installed door can increase the value of your property. Potential buyers in Fort Worth often look for homes with strong security features, and high-quality doors add to curb appeal and overall property worth. Whether you plan to sell your home in the future or simply want to enhance its security and efficiency, a well-installed door is a worthwhile investment. Choosing the right professional for door installation. While DIY door installation may seem tempting, hiring a professional ensures that the job is done correctly and securely. A skilled technician will ensure precise door alignment and sealing. Use the right tools and materials for optimal security. Install locks, hinges, and strike plates correctly to prevent vulnerabilities. Verify that the door meets local building codes and security standards. In Fort Worth, professional door installers understand the unique security needs of the area and can recommend the best options for your home or business. Conclusion: a properly installed door is a crucial component of home and business security in Fort Worth. From preventing break-ins to improving energy efficiency and weather resistance, the benefits are extensive. By investing in a high-quality door and professional installation, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your property is well protected. Whether you're upgrading your home or securing a commercial space, a strong, well-fitted door is an essential part of your security strategy.